The audience at the Rajpath got goosebumps as they watched the Agni 5 intercontinental ballistic missiles Majesty on display. The 21-gun salute by the 8711 Field Artillery Regiment heralded the Republic Day parade, with the 61st Cavalry led by Captain Amit Rathi marching smartly by. Several weapon systems such as the Captain Ajay Kumar led MBT Arjun and the BrahMos missile of 881 Missile Regiment were on display. The chemical, biological, radiological and nuclear recce vehicle led by Lieutenant Archana Chaudhary and the mobile integrated network terminal led by Major Pradeep Dalal rolled by. The Maratha Light Infantry led by Lieutenant U.S. Parihar, the Dogra Regiment led by Lieutenant Prithviraj Bhosle marched by smartly. The combined band of Garhwal Rifles Regimental Centre and the Kumaon Regimental Centre led by Subedar Major Inder Singh played the tune Vijay Himalaya. The naval tableau depicted the INS Vikramaditya, the 45,000-ton aircraft carrier which will join the naval fleet by the end of this year. Flight Lieutenant Hina Pore led the 144-strong 12x12 marching contingent of the Air Force. The basic trainer aircraft Pilatus and the soon-to-enter service C-17 Globemaster aroused the interest of the audience. But what filled the hearts of the audience with patriotism were the marching contingents of the military and the paramilitary. Marching to the tunes of Assam Rifles Ke Sipahi, the Assam Rifles contingent, known as Sentinels of the Northeast, marched on led by Major Vivek Sahai. Assistant Commandant Manish Singh led the 148 personnel of the CRPF. The Railway Protection Force contingent marched to the tune of Kadam Kadam Badhaye Ja. The Delhi Police contingent carrying .303 rifles led by ACP Deepak Yadav is creating a strong buzz for the Best Marching Contingent trophy. The NCC Boys Band led by Under Officer Shamim Khan and the NCC Girls Band playing Hum Honge Kamyab filled the young people with fervour. The bike riding team of the Army Service Corps, Tornadoes, made the audience give a gasp of disbelief with their stunts on motorbikes. The Jaguars from the number 5 squadron flew at a height of 300 meters and at 780 kilometers per hour. The MiG-29s in a fulcrum formation were led by Wing Commander Shekhar Yadav. Ended on a high note, quite literally, with Wing Commander Sharad Aneja executing the vertical Charlie maneuver with the Sukhoi 30 MKI.
Did you see that? Absolutely gravity-defying.
In New Delhi, this is Nandita Dagar for DD News.